this is Cedric. So today it's all about my server. So this is the best day of my life. So it's finally released. So the name is of my server is Limpingcraft, as you can see on the screen, and it's called Limpingcraft, and my name is Limping Torch in here. But my real name is Cedric. So I'm going to show you one by one my server, all of the info, all of that, and let's start. So guys, this is my spawn. So it's very unique and creative. It's very colorful, and for me it's very awesome. So as you can see, it's look like a shuriken in the Naruto. So, magtatagalog na lang ako sa inyo para malaman nyo na ako ay isang Pilipino. So, sorry guys kung magtatagalog ako. Pero, nandun naman sa description yung IP at port. So, meron ginawa si MCR Lite dito. Top 1 and next. Ano to? Drip water. Tapos lava. Tapos portal. Strip na naman. So, meron ko ditong kaibigan, nandito si Stupid King. Staff ko siya, so, huwag kang gagalaw. Meron siyang, channel, MCPE rin. So, subscribe to him, and ito si MCR Lite. Masipag to mag-build, at saka napaka-pogi niya. Joke. So, marami rin ako ditong stop kaso di sila ngayon on. So, sorry kung, bakit ka nag-left? Sorry guys. So, sa mga magdo-donate dito guys, salamat na lang. So, need namin ng donation at need namin ng server spawn builder at saka yung iba pang staff dyan. So, active staff need namin, tsaka mga donator. So, guys, please donate, and huwag niyong kalimutan leave a like and subscribe. So, yun lang guys. Goodbye.